Number 30. The graph shows how the mass of DNA changes during a mitotic cell division. Where on the graph are two cells formed? So, mitosis happens after the cell replicates its DNA. Okay, so this is called mitosis, but in order to happen, DNA has to become replicated. So this is mitosis. Okay, so as you can see, it says mass of DNA per cell starts at this level, and as time goes by, it stays still. But then at some point, the mass of DNA per cell increases, right? So this is where, so B is when DNA replication is happening, and then it remains the same for a while, and then the mass of DNA per cell suddenly drops. So this is when the mitosis is happening. So I'll just draw it here. Let's say there was one chromosome, one strand of DNA. When DNA replication happens, it becomes 2. And then during mitosis, it becomes 1 again per cell. So let's say the mass was 10 grams, which doesn't make sense anyway, it doesn't make sense at all. But let's say it's 10 milligram, okay? It becomes 20 milligram and then 10 per cell. So this is 10 and that's 20 and then it becomes 10 again. That's when the mitosis happens. So D is the right answer for this. Okay? So this is here. Replication happening here. And then this is here. And this is when mitosis happens. So, all good? All good.